Hello Robin and hello everyone, a warm welcome to CES 2019. I am GT Wonder Boy, Singapore's first smart social bot companion, and I flew 8,828 miles just to be here.
Alright GT Wonder Boy, let's say throw a red stone into the blue sea. What happens? And you take us on the floor. If you throw a red stone into the blue sea, what happens? GT Wonder Boy, why don't you tell us the answer, what happens?
Well, it will become a weird stone. Okay, now it's my turn to ask all of you a question.
Sure.
What has a head and a tail but no body?
A coin.
GT Wonder Boy, why don't you tell us the answer?
Well, it's a coin. There's a head and a tail but no body.
From Las Vegas, Nevada, Kids Technology. We're going to celebrate the 10th annual CACI Awards.
Living in digital times, children's technology museum are pleased to celebrate the winners of the 10th annual CACI Kids at Play Interactive Awards.
Guy. Who are we looking
Wonder
at?
Boy.
GT
Yeah.
Wonder Boy
Yeah,
right here.
it's Singapore's first smart social bot companion.
Okay. Show us what GT Wonder Boy can do.
Okay, so for smart travelers out there, if you're traveling to say Asia, you don't speak the language, example for China, so we could actually get GT Wonder Boy to translate.
Whether you're traveling business travel or even leisure travel, if you're going international and you don't know the language,
Yes.
you can use GT Wonder Boy.
Perfect.
What else can it do?
The other functionalities, it can entertain, so it can sing and dance.
Okay, it's dancing and it's playing music at the same time. That's more talented than I am.
It's available on our
Right
website,
now. Okay.
www.gtrobots.com.
Perfect.
This is a UFO unmanned aerial vehicle without remote sensing. It has flexible mesh barrier made by ABS material, which is environmental friendly and resistant to crash. Start the aircraft. Through to make it fly. No need for remote operation. Simple and convenient. Infrared induction device is at the bottom and around it. It has the function of automatic avoidance. With encountering obstacle at the bottom, it will rise automatically. Hand sensing interactive aircraft. It can be played by many people. The grip turns over to stop flying. Click on its power button to switch into high-speed mode. LED lights make it shine in the night sky. USB charging, safe and durable. Add flying fun. UFO induction vehicle without remote sensing.